Good morning, class. As in the last class, we have completed the chapter that is direct and inverse proportion, chapter 13. Now I am going to start chapter 14. Chapter 14, that is factorization. Factorization is nothing but to factorize the term with the term will be with algebraic expression and numerals, combination of numerals and variable, and we have to factorize the term and we find the common factor with them and make the common factor separate and the remaining part in the separate bracket. Okay, that is factorization. Now I am going to start the exercise, that is 14.1. So example first, that is factorize 12a square b plus 15ab square. So here we have two terms. First is 12a square and the second is 15ab square. So first we factorize the first term, that is 12a square b. When we factorize 12, then we have the factor 2 into 3, and we factorize a square, then it can be written as a into a, and after that in the last b. Then 15 ab square, that is 3 into 5 into a into b into b. Now 12a square b plus 15 ab square can be written as 2 into 3 into a into b plus 3 into 5 into a into b into b. So here when we want to take the common number, then we find here that 3 is the number that is common in the both the term. So 3 and 1 and a, this a, and here 1 time a, and here 1 time b, and here 1 time b. Now we write the remaining part in the bracket. 2 into 2, that is 4, and a plus 5 into b. So this will be 3ab in bracket 4a plus 5b. So this is the factor of the 12a square b plus 15ab square. Note down. Now example 2. We have to factorize 10x square minus 18x cube power 4. Now when we factorize it, we have 3 terms here. 10x square can be written as 2 into 5 into x and 18x cube can be written as 3 into 3 into 2 into x into x and 14x to the power 4 can be written as 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x. So 10x square minus 18x cube plus 14x to the power 4 can be written as 2 into 5 into x plus 3 into 3 into 3, then 3 times x plus, sorry, this will be minus 2 into 7 into x into x into x into x. When we want to take the common number, then 2 is the number which is common in all the 3 terms. So 2 is the common. Now here x, one time x, again x, another time. Then in bracket, remaining term, 5 is the remaining in first term, and in the second it will be 3 into 3, that is 9, and x, and in the last 7x squared. Now 2x squared in bracket 5 minus 9x plus 7x squared. This is the factorization. Note down. Now example third. So in example third, we have to factorize the term but by another method, that is regrouping. So example third is factorize six xy minus 4y plus 6 minus 9x. So here we make, first we make group. Make a group of 2 term, then another 2 term. So when you take these 2 term, then we can find here, this can be written as in factor 3 into 2 or 2 into 3 into x into y minus 2 into 2 into y or 4y plus 6 is 3 into 2 minus 3 into x. So here as we can find that 2 and y is the common. So 2y common, then in bracket 3x minus 2 plus, here we can find that 3 is the common number, so 2 minus 3x. So here as we can see that 3x minus 2 is the one bracket, and here 2 minus 3x. Both the terms are same, but the only difference is that the minus sign. Okay, so if we take the minus from these two numbers, if we take the minus sign common from these two numbers, then this can be written as this one. So minus 3x minus 2. And as we know that when we take minus common from these two numbers, then the minus which is common, which is taken common, is multiplied by plus 3. Then this plus 3 becomes minus 3. So here we can say that we have 3x minus 2 is common, and in other bracket 2y minus 3. Okay, so this is the factorization by regrouping. So note it down. Now I am going to do some questions from the exercise. Question number first. The first question is, we have to find the common factors of the given terms. There are some terms and we have to find the common term. So the terms are 12x and 36. So the common factor is 12. And in second 2y and 22xy. So the common factor is 2y. And in the third 14pq and 28 p square q squared. So the common term is 14pq, and fourth one is 2x comma 3x square comma 4. So there are three terms, and there is nothing common in these three terms, so we can take one as the common number. And in fifth part, 6abc comma 24ab square comma 12a square b. So here we have three terms. So the common number is 6, and the common literal or variable is ab. So 6ab is the common. And sixth part, 16x cube minus 14x square minus 4x square comma 32x. So the common number is 4x. And in the seventh part, 10pq, 20qr and 30 rp. So the common number is, here we take only number as the common factor. So common factor is 10 only. And in the last one, that is 8th part, 3x square y cube, 10x cube y square, and 16x square y square, 6x square y square z. So we don't take any numbers, any such number as common. And now we find now we want to try for the variable. So x square and y square is the variable that can be taken common. So the common factor for the 8th is x square y square. Now question number 2, we have to factorize the expression. So now I am going to solve 10th part and 7th part. Ten square minus 15 b square plus 20 c square. So if we factorize this 10, this can be written as 2 into 5 into a minus 15 can be written as 3 into 5 into b, and 20 factorize as 2 into 2 into 5 into c. So here in all the terms we can 5 as the common number, and there is no such variable is common. So this will be 2a square minus 3b square plus 4c square. So this is the factorization. Now question number 2, the last part, that is 10th part. Ax square y plus bxy square and cxy z. So as we can see here, x is common and one time y is common. So here it is ax plus by plus cz. So this is the factorization. Note down. Now question number 3rd, we have to factorize but by regrouping method. I am going to solve 5th part, that is z minus 7 plus 7xy minus xyz. So if we make the group of these two terms, so here when we take only one, because there is no such number or variable which is common in these two terms, so we take 1 as the common factor. And now z minus 7 plus, here we can see that y as well as x is common, so xy, then in bracket 7 minus z. So here you can see that z minus 7 is here 7 minus z, so we can take minus sign as the common as the example. So y z minus 7, and when take minus 1 common from these two terms, so x plus xy become minus xy and z minus 7. So z minus 7 and in other bracket 1 minus xy. Note down. So class, remaining part of the of all the questions you have to do by yourself, and if you have any doubt, any queries, you can ask me in the class. So thank you so much class. It's all over for today.